Hey guys, I thought I would do the reveal of my Swiss Army knife, the camper, tomorrow, but I had some time tonight to do it, so, and it's about 1:30 in the morning, so I can still do it. This is the box. Actually, my grandma gave me this knife. I think it was like I could look at the price wrong, but I think it was like 40 something, 30 maybe. I know I know it's pretty hard. Probably are pretty old. So here, everything. Comes in this box and it slides right open. Here's the knife, but at the bottom of this, there's this thing. And this just shows, this is a Swiss Army, and inside of it, it just has got an oil lid and all the different kinds of things you can get inside. They said, it says, now that you own one, here's a few good reasons to own another. So, tells you all about like the maintenance, service, all, lifetime warranty, all that stuff. Of warranties and stuff, and let's go ahead and open this now. Alright. This is the main blade. That's the one I used on my sharpener earlier. Open this first. The saw. Oh, it's pointy. This is a smaller blade. I also sharpened that up with the sharpener. I'll tell you, that thing works really good. That's a bottle. No, I think that's no, it's a bottle opener with a Phillips flathead screwdriver. This is a can opener with a smaller screwdriver, I believe that is. Let's see, a corkscrew. Hold on. This one's a pain in the ass to get out. Shut this really quick. I'm not quite sure what this is. I think it's like a leather puncher. I'm not quite sure, with like a sewing needle. Somebody, Dwayne Myers might know that. Dwayne, if you know that, please tell me. You know, everybody that has a knife videos knows Dwayne. And like all the Swiss. Oh yeah, plus that's a key ring. Comes with a toothpick. And of course, pliers. Tweezers, not pliers, sorry. And it's called the Swiss Army Camping. Get the light here. That's it. It's a really nice knife. I love this knife so much. Good for camping. And so, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.